Chip, when are you going to get rid of this?
What, Grace, this?
Yes, you know how I feel
I
about
know.
it.
I'll do it right now, all right?
You know, I've had to ask you about
Get
this
off my
several...
back. I'll get rid of it in just a minute.
Fine, Trip, fine.
Dan! Hey, I thought I heard someone out here. God, it's been so long since we've seen you. How you doing, man? Well, let's not just stand out here. Come on in.
No, here we are. Dan. Hi, how are you? Oh, God, it's been such a long time.
Yeah, it's been too long.
And I have to say, you look great. Well, come on in, make yourself at home. So please, make yourself at home.
Oh, Dan, take a look at this photo I just put up from our trip to Italy a couple of weeks ago. Dan, come here. I want you to look at this.
Trip, darling, your obsession with that photo is making our friend uncomfortable.
Dan, let me get you a drink.
Oh, I'll get it.
No. Our friend's here. We can let the answering machine get it.
Trip,
Grace,
no,
Dan.
Hello?
No,
Hello?
don't do that.
Who is this? Travis?
Ah,
is that you?
That's my mother.
This is your mother.
I can hear her loud voice.
Oh.
Oh, I
Okay,
think I
she's
have the wrong
confused
number.
as usual. Just hang it up.
Oh, I wanted to say
No,
hello.
come on. We're entertaining a friend in our new apartment. The last thing I want to do is talk to my parents.
Anyhow, Trip's parents. They're sweet people,
No,
really down to
they're
earth.
ignorant. They wouldn't know a cummerbund from a cucumber. Huh. I think I forgot how well you two get along.
Dan, you're not enjoying this, are you?
What?
Trip, have you noticed we're fighting in front of our friend?
Grace, come on, that kind of statement is not helpful.
Trip, it's okay if we
We're
disagree
not
in front
disagreeing.
of our friend.
We're not disagreeing. Jesus. Probably true.
You know, ever since we got married, I can't help it. I'm forever buying new furniture and redecorating. I really enjoy it.
Yeah, it's in your blood. You grew up with this stuff.
Dan, now be honest with me. Agree that this room just does not work.
Grace, come on. What are you talking about?
All day at work, I design ads for apartments with extravagant views like this. And then I think I want to design it into my apartment.
I love this view. It makes me feel like $1 million.
But I'm wrong. I simply want a view of trees and green.
Oh, come on. Jesus, why can't you just be happy with this? This is fine. Grace, everything's fine. No one is complaining about your decorating.
No, he is just being courteous. This room is not...
Ugh, Grace, come on. People like
You know, Trip,
you're
if
the
you
only
hadn't
one.
convinced me to go into advertising, I could have painted that painting on the wall instead of buying it.
You're never happy. No one has a problem with your decorating but you.
Yeah. Anyway.
Oh my god. Dan. Oh my god, I am so bad.
What?
I haven't gotten us drinks. Oh, this is good because I just bought these classy new cocktail shakers I need us to try out.
Trip's favorite pastime is to get the blood alcohol content of his guests higher than his golf
Why don't
score.
I make us one of my new drink inventions? I call it Grace's Inner Soul. It's a mixture of Chardonnay, bitters, and lots of ice.
It's a secret. Trip doesn't even like the taste of alcohol.
What? So, Dan, how does that sound? You don't want my invention?
Dan, Trip's getting a little carried away. Maybe you just want some juice or a mineral water.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna make this drink for us. Our friend is here, we're gonna enjoy ourselves, that's all there is to it. Grace, everybody loves my drinks. You know that, don't you? Everybody.
Well, of course, Trip. After all, you got enough practice when you were a real bartender.
What?
In college, you were a bartender.
How do you know about that?
Oh, I know you were trying to keep it a big secret, but one time my friends and I went slumming off campus to some crappy bar in the sticks, and we saw you there.
Oh, that's great. Ah, you're driving me insane! Goddamn slumming it off campus. You hide things from me? You're so distant? You do! You hide things from me!
Ugh. Dan, You and your damn parents. Sometimes I feel like our whole marriage is just for show. I don't know what you really feel.
Goddamn, more real. I like my fancy
sure,
drinks,
yeah.
okay? I like the good things in life. Does that make me a bad person? They're just drinks! Alright, you know what? Dan, I need to ask you something.
Trip.
Grace, let me ask our guest a question. Dan, yes or no? Isn't the goal in life, and in marriage, to improve your life, to have more than you did before?
What?
I mean, shouldn't you get married so that you can have a better, richer life than before? Yes or no? Look, you don't need to answer. I don't need to hear anymore. Grace, you won't let me be who I want to be. Who I am.
God.
This is who I am now. God damn it!
Oh, yeah, good. Get out of my sight. I don't want to look at you. God damn it. Dan, I can't believe you have to see this. Oh. Look, maybe you should just leave. Oh, God.
What? I can't hear you!
Good! Dan, Trip is just so...
Oh, so we're talking about me, are we?
What?
Dan, look around this apartment. It's got everything anyone would ever want. But Grace? Oh no, she's never satisfied.
Trip, ugh, I'm so sick of this.
Well, I mean, we've got everything.
Trip, you just don't... Ugh.
Dan, what? Is there something I should do?
Look, why don't we talk about us, our relationship? I think Trip's afraid of visiting his parents. He does everything he can to avoid seeing them.
Afraid of my parents? My parents are idiots.
No, it's true. Let's talk some more about us, our relationship.
It's so annoying. Grace, why is it that anytime I want to do something nice for you, you resist it?
Trip.
Like I always have to convince you.
Dan, you know, we...
Grace, we don't have to do this. Things are okay.
Dan,
we can just...
I can't stand the pretending anymore. I can't take it.
No, Grace, we can... I mean, come on. Don't make it out to be so bad.
Ugh. Look, I think we should focus on Trip.
You know, the worst is when I come home from a business trip. Grace avoids me for days.
Dan?
Look, let's talk about us both, not just one of us. You know what makes me so angry?
What?
How you've so conveniently forgotten how much you used to actually hate painting.
Dan? Ugh!
Let's keep talking about us both, not just one of us.
Trip, it's your fault. 10 years ago, freshly married and just out of college, you convinced me to go into advertising instead of art.
What?
If it weren't for you, I could be a real artist by now.
Dan. Ugh. That's bullshit.
Ugh. Let's talk some more about us, our relationship. I get so upset when I think about it. God, I regret it so much.
What?
Why did I let you convince me to give up painting?
Oh, Christ. Dan. Ugh.
Look, let's switch the focus to Trip. See, you lied to me. Before we got married, you said you liked art, that you respected me as an artist.
Dan. Ugh. Okay, that's it. No more of this bullshit. Dan, I know what you're trying to hint at. About me. Do you two want the truth, huh? Dan, are you ready to hear it? Grace, huh?
Yes.
Dan, say something. See? Dan, I've been paying attention to what you've been saying tonight. You're trying to push me tonight. It makes me wonder if you're really my friend or not.
Trip?
Dan, come on, yes or no? Do you really think that And you don't even say yes when I ask you if you want the truth? That I'm supposed to realize something about myself from all that? Is what little you've said tonight supposed to add up somehow to something? Is it? Just give me a yes or no. This is not a trick question. No? Huh. Well, I thought it did add up to something, actually. All right. Look. Dan, we're actually fine. Everything's fine.
Yeah.
I think it's okay if you need to go. You know, Dan, nothing's changed. We're fine. We'll see you out.
Thank you for coming over. It was nice.
Come on, Dan. There's nothing else to say tonight.
It's nice you came over, but it's time to say goodnight.
Look, we'll see you later, or whatever.
Dan, please.
Dan, just go, please. You know what? Dan, that's it. You need to leave. Dan, come on, you've got to go. There's only so much you can expect to put up with, you know? We'll be fine. You just have to go.